Hello, Savvy Sales Squad. Women, we make incredible sales professionals. Why are women better at sales than men? A 2019 study by Exactly found that on an average, 80% of women achieve their sales goals compared to 78% of men. So let's delve into why women excel at sales. First on the list is emotional intelligence. Studies show that women often possess higher levels of emotional intelligence, allowing us to connect with clients on a deeper level because we listen intently, and women easily give eye contact. Women are natural relationship builders. In the sales world, building trust and rapport is crucial, as you know. Women know how to leverage their innate ability to connect, creating a foundation of long-term client relationships. I still have some clients as friends from 25 years ago. Prospects trust women over men in sales. There's plenty of studies to support this. Adaptability and empathy are two more superpowers in the arsenal of female sales professionals. These traits allow women to understand clients' needs, navigate challenging situations, and tailor their approach for maximum impact. Collaboration and teamwork are often underestimated in sales. Women excel in working collaboratively, pooling resources and learning from others. Fostering a collaborative environment can elevate the entire sales team. Effective communication is at the core of successful sales, and women often shine in this area too. Women leverage clear, concise communication to articulate value propositions, address objections, and ultimately close deals. We're not afraid to ask for the sale. As a matter of fact, women in sales are on the average about 11% more likely to close a sale than their male counterparts. Thanks to our natural higher level of patience, we experience a greater level of success because we make the prospect comfortable during the sale. Remember what Marnie Lefebvre said, "People don't hate being sold to. They hate being sold to poorly." And there you have it, Savvy Sales Squad, the undeniable strengths that make women stand out in the world of sales. If you've enjoyed today's insight, give me that thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more empowering content. And stay savvy, but remember this, sales is a journey, not a quick trip around the block. I'll see you on the next video.